Hello student, this is NCERT Maths class 10th exercise 3.5 question number 4. The question is form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution if they exist by any algebraic method. And first part is a part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000 as hostel charges, whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pays rupees 1180 as hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. So for the first part, let for the first part let fixed charges for the month is rupees X and extra charges per day equals to rupees Y. So for student A, total amount will be fixed charges plus 20 days, that is 20Y, that is equals to 1000. Equation 1. For student B, total amount will be X plus 26Y, that is 1180. That is second equation. So to eliminate X, subtract equation 2 from 1. So we get X plus 20Y equals to 1000 and X plus 26Y equals to 1180. So minus cancelled out. Minus 6Y equals to minus 180, that is Y equals to 30. Now put value of Y in any one to find X. So from 1 X plus 20Y, that is plus 600 equals to 1000. So X equals to 1000 minus 600, that is 400. So fixed charges is rupees 400 and charges per day equals to rupees 30. That is the answer for part 1. Now see part 2. Part 2 is a fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Then find the fraction. So for second part, let required fraction is X by Y. Required fraction is X by Y. So according to first condition, when 1 is subtracted from numerator, then the fraction becomes 1 by 3. So according to question, X minus 1 by Y equals to 1 by 3. So 3X minus Y must be equals to 3. That is equation 1. Again, according to question, if 8 is added to the denominator, then fraction becomes 1 by 4. So X divided by Y plus 8 equals to 1 by 4. So 4X minus Y equals to 8, that is equation 2. Now from 1 and to 1 minus 2, 3X minus Y equals to 3 and 4X minus Y equals to 8 minus plus minus cancelled out. Then minus X equals to minus 5, that is X equals to 5. Then put value of X in any one equation. We will get Y as 12. So required fraction is X by Y, that is 5 by 12 is the answer. Now third part is Yes scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, then yes would have scored 50 marks. How many questions there was present in the test paper? So for third part, let number of correct answer is x. For third part, let number of correct answer equals to x and number of incorrect answer equals to y. So according to question, 3x minus y equals to 40. It is equation 1. Again, for the second case, 4x minus 2y equals to 50. That is 2x minus y equals to 25. That is equation 2. Now, from 1 minus 2, we get 3x minus y equals to 40 and 2x minus y equals to 25 minus plus minus y will be cancelled out. So we get x equals to 50. Now put value of x in any one equation. We will get y equals to 5. So total number of question in the test paper, total number of question in the test paper equals to x plus y equals to 15 plus 5 equals to 20. It is the answer. Now, fourth part is, place A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another car from B at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of two cars? So, for the fourth part, consider case 1. When car moving in the same direction, let place A is here and place B is here, and distance between them is 100 km. Car A and B both are moving in the same direction. Let them meet at point C, and distance between point B and C is suppose D1. So distance between A and C will become 100 plus D1. Now when car moving in the same direction, so after 5 hours they meet at a point C. That means in 5 hours car A travels the distance 100 plus D1 and car B travels the distance D1. So by using the formula speed equals to distance upon time, we can say that time equals to distance upon speed. So let a speed of car A equals to x and a speed of car B equals to y. So 100 plus d1 divided by x equals to d1 divided by y must be 5 hours. So from 1 and 3, 5x minus d1 must be 100, and from these two d1 equals to 5y. So we get 5x minus 5y equals to 100, hence x minus y is 20. So we get equation 1. Now consider case 2. Case 2, when car moving in the opposite direction, that is point A and point B, and suppose they meet at point C. So let distance between B and C is d2. So distance between A and C becomes 100 minus d2. So if car A and B moving in the opposite direction, they will meet after 1 hour. That means car A must travel the distance 100 minus d2 in 1 hour, and car B must travel the distance d2 in the same time. So we can say that 100 minus d2 upon x equals to d2 upon y equals to 1. So from 1 and 3 we can say that x plus d2 equals to 100, and from these two we get y equals to d2, hence we get x plus y equals to 100. That is equation 2. Now add equation 1 and 2. 1 plus 2, that is x minus y equals to 20, and x plus y equals to 100. So y will be cancelled out and 2x equals to 120. So x equals to 60 km per hour, and put value of y in any one equation, we will get x equals to 40 km per hour. So a speed of car A, that is x, equals to 60 km per hour, and a speed of car B, that is y, equals to 40 km per hour is the answer. Now see the last part. The area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. If we increase the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units, then the area increased by 67 square units. Then find the dimension of the rectangle. So for fifth part, let a rectangle having length L and breadth B. So area of the rectangle will be L into B. So from case 1, if length is reduced by 5, that is L minus 5, and breadth is increased by 3, then area will be reduced by 9 square unit. So here LB plus 3L minus 5B minus 15 equals to LB minus 9. LB cancelled out. So 3L minus 5B equals to 6. That is equation 1. From second case, if length is increased by 3 and breadth is increased by 2, that is B, increased by 2, then area is increased by 67 square unit. So here we get LB plus 2L plus 3B plus 6 equals to LB plus 67. LB cancelled. So we get 2L plus 3B equals to 61. That is equation 2. Now multiply equation 1 into 2 and subtract equation 2 by multiplying 3. So we get 6L minus 10B equals to 12 and 6L plus 9B equals to 183. So minus cancelled, and minus 19B equals to minus 171. So B equals to 9. Now put the value of B in any one equation, we get L equals to 17 meter. That is the answer.